Here's a basic explanation of grammar, covering letters, words, and sentences. First, what is letter? Definition. Letters are the smallest units of a language's writing system. Examples: A, B, C, etc. Letters are combined to form words. Second, what is word? Definition. Words are units of language that convey meaning. Examples: dog, run, happy, etc. Words are combined to form phrases, clauses, and sentences. Third, what is sentences? Definition. Sentences are groups of words that express a complete thought or idea. Examples: the dog is happy, I love reading books, etc. Sentences are the basic building blocks of written and spoken communication. Basic grammar concepts. 1. Parts of speech. Words can be classified into parts of speech, such as nouns, for example, dog, book, verbs, for example, run, read, adjectives, for example, happy, big, adverbs, for example, quickly, loudly, pronouns, for example, I, you, prepositions, for example, in, on, conjunctions, for example, and but. Subscribe the channel for more learning videos.